Hey there, it's Miley from Cloud App. Today I am going to show you how to order groceries online and either have them delivered or pick them up from the store. But either way, this is a great option if you don't feel like going into the store or if you have limited mobility and it's harder for you to get around. So I started out on Walmart.com and I'm going to show you how to get there from here. You have the option of signing in or creating an account. I'm already signed in, but the option will be up here in the top right if you need to do that. And then you're going to just click on this little grocery logo. And so here it will take us to grocery.walmart.com, and this is where we can add items. So as you can see, I already have some candy corn in here for Halloween and 12 bottles of Hershey's syrup. And now I'm going to go in here and you can shop by department. That's an easy way. They have some seasonal items up here, but then you can also go into your general different grocery categories. But the great thing about Walmart in particular is that you can also shop for other items here. And that'll just save you a trip to the store. And this is, again, a great option if it's an inconvenient option for you to go into the store or drive yourself to the store or whatever it may be. So on here, you can choose which store that you want to pick up, or you can also choose, and I'll show you how in a second, how to put in your address to have it delivered to you. So from here, you can add any items as favorites if you want to be able to go back and look at those at a future time, if you want to make restocking easier, basically. So we'll go down here. It'll also give you some bestsellers, so you can either add from this screen or just, again, shop by department. So on here, we can click on stock up. And this will give you some common items as well. Anyway, so just play around in here. You do have to have a $30 minimum on your grocery cart for Walmart grocery shopping, and there are definitely other stores you can do this with. I chose to use Walmart as an example because it is one that is pretty common in most areas, so I wanted to show that. But most grocery stores have a similar option for at least pickup, and most of them do delivery as well. So yeah, anyway, this is how you'll go through. Basically, a Walmart employee will then select the items from the store and bring them out to your car if you order them to be for pickup, or you can have them delivered. So as long as your subtotal is above $30, then you're good. You can't, unfortunately, order anything less than $30 minimum. But with Walmart, pickup is always free, and then delivery is for a small charge. So let's say that this is, I want to get, let's see, some rolls. I'm going to choose, and you can also search if you aren't finding what you need. Perfect, so I'm going to choose these sweet rolls and get a couple of those. And yeah, that's how you'll do this. You can also search by brand over here, or types of bread. Anyway, so now that I am done, I'm going to click checkout. So you can choose which store you want to pick up your order from, or you can click on delivery, and then here you would add a new address, and after that you'll click continue and go through the process of checking out. You'll need to put in payment information, and you can also set preferences for if they don't have an item that you ordered. You can either have them replace that with an item or just not pick it up, or not add it to your list, and then they'll adjust the final price accordingly, especially because a lot of the things that you may have on your grocery list, such as produce, will need to be weighed, and so you won't have the exact total but you'll have an estimate, and then when you pick up or it's delivered, they will charge you your final price. So hopefully this helps you if you are just not having time to go to the grocery store or don't have the ability to make it there. This is a great way to get the groceries you need.